plant.
Cool. Let's go. Wow. More stuff. I think the magic is made all the stronger when it grows out of something real. Cool.
It helps the director as well to understand.
Architecture.
It's a very good device to be able to move on with that design.
Great hall ceiling art.
The concept artist allows us to audition different
Whoa.
versions of an
Whoa.
different
Ceiling.
versions of
That looks very cool and eerie. What's it?
Welded wheels, so it was really stable to run off the floor. All that structure was painted blue.
Drive the staircase with actors on it from one point to another.
That original staircase, what JR designed and built structurally wise to run in and out, worked perfect. It was safe, it didn't scare anybody because it was very, very solid. It worked, so we just worked with it. And this is why I think visual effects are so important in certain areas, is because you could make that happen. It was magical because in the film it was a staircase that was moving and just pivoting on one point with no structure beneath it.
The staircase really in effect goes up and down. It's quite a phenomenal thing.
It was a great scene because the actors were on it. They had something to react to when it moved.
Whoa.
What's happening? The staircase has changed, remember?
Cool. Look at that. What is that? Giant clown looking at a lion and a rat. Oh my. This dude looks like he's like 20 feet too, like as tall as Hagrid. Who is this? I don't know. Man, where do you get all the pain and investment for this film? Oh, the real, it looks like the staircase is over here. That is so cool. Look in the real staircase. Staircase. Wow. And the mirror's moving. Oh, staircase is moving. Yeah, the staircase is moving. Wow, they must have this. Oh, wow, that really moved. That is so cool. Hey, the staircase moved. Yeah. That looks expensive to make. The mirrors are moving too. Can't go up. They don't trust us. Look at the. Look at the butter beer people. Look at the little kids with the rods. Giant. Oh, it goes up now. Look at that. Wow, this whole frame out. What's that? The whole frame is filled with. Is it moving? A lot of people moving around. It's pretty crazy. Whoa, that's a really big painting. Random people. Wow. They should do this in a real building. Like a museum. Seems kind of expensive. It's like Asian people. These usually there's not honestly white people. What's in that room? To go check it out later. Look at the detail. The wall. Whoa. painting looks cool. The fat lady sing. Oh, so what? Yeah, look at that. No English. Portrait of the fat lady guards the entrance of Gryffindor common room. Originally played by dramatic actor and trained opera singer Elizabeth Spriggs. Wow. She has a name. Elizabeth Spriggs. Fat lady sings. I didn't know that. What is here? Like a lot of green. Oh, you can take pictures or something? You gotta get in line or something? Whoa. You take pictures. And then I think you can be part of the... Oh. I'm just gonna avoid them and let them take their pictures. Because I don't think I really need that. But take your pictures and you can be in the wall. Oh, the thing is moving! Holy moly! Wow. That's a big triangle. Wow. What room is this? You can take pictures over there and be in the wall.
Oh, yeah.
What's this? Gryffindor? Gryffindor common room. Gryffindor common room.
こちらのグリフィンドール談話室、壁にかかっている肖像画は全て歴代洋館の肖像画です。あちらの背を向けて立っている女性の人物、足元に猫がいますよね。我らがマクゴナガル先生の肖像画です。マクゴナガル先生、学生時代は非常に優秀な成績だったとともに、クレッチの選手でもありました。7年生最後の優勝決定戦、対戦相手のスリザリン戦にほうきから叩き落とされて6本と数本を打って以来、先生の生涯をかけた望みはクレッチでスリザリンを打ち負かすことになったのです。
Whoa, I hear some kind of crackling over there.